As you walk in the front door, you'll notice it has a cathedral ceiling. It has like an office to the right, or flex space. Beautiful flooring, luxury vinyl plank, formal dining with coffered ceilings, really nice sized great room with built-ins, nice fireplace, gas logs. Look at this even kitchen area and this kitchen. This kitchen has like a pretty navy color on the island, storage on the ends, plenty of room for bar stools. Love the backsplash, glass cabinets, oven and convection. GE profile, appliance GE profile stove, oven, looks like a convection oven. Yep, convection oven also. Dishwasher, sink, lots of storage. Looks like this might even be a trash pull-out. Yep. Soft close doors and drawers. This home is vacant, readily available. Has a screened-in porch out back. Great size yard. Fenced in if you've got pets or younger kids. The outside of the house is a really pretty blue. And the kitchen island's kind of like in that same color tone. This has really pretty tile floor. That's the half bath. Super tall doorways, inlet ceilings on the main level. Bath and bedroom with a walk-in closet is downstairs. Beautiful laundry area with cabinets, lots of storage. Love the tile. And we get to the master. Wow, nice ceiling tray, sitting area, which is really nice with the arched area. One closet here. Another closet here. Another closet here. Beautiful tile. Again, quartz counters, double vanity sinks, lots of storage. The tub sort of has its own little grand area. Beautiful shower with bench seat and rain head. And it has its own water closet. If you'd like more information on this home, it is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a little over 4,000 square foot here in Chapin. It is in Palmetto Shores. Again, this is a lake access community.